Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical DIY project that'll help you get organized and reclaim your space. Custom drawer organizers. Are your drawers a chaotic mess of tools, pens, or kitchen gadgets? Well, say goodbye to the clutter and hello to streamlined organization. This project is incredibly simple, budget-friendly, and requires minimal supplies. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. First things first, let's take a look at the before situation. Sound of drawer opening, messy sound effects. Yikes. Looks familiar? Whether it's the junk drawer, the kitchen utensil drawer, or even the toolbox, a disorganized drawer can be frustrating and make it hard to find what you need. This is where our DIY drawer organizer comes in to save the day. Now, let's gather our supplies. You'll need cardboard. The thicker the better, but cereal boxes will work if that's all you have. A ruler, a pencil, a craft knife or scissors, and some tape are also essential. That's it, easy peasy. The beauty of this method is its simplicity. First, measure the inside of your drawer. This is crucial for a perfect fit. Measure the length and width and, if you're planning on having multiple compartments, measure the desired size of each. Next, we're going to cut strips of cardboard. The height of your strips will determine how deep your compartments are. Consider what you'll be storing in the drawer and adjust the height accordingly. Cut the strips, ensuring they're slightly shorter than the depth of your drawer, so they don't catch. Now, here comes the clever part: the interlocking grid. Take your strips and, using your ruler and pencil, mark where you'll cut notches. These notches will allow the cardboard strips to interlock, creating a stable grid. The spacing of the notches will depend on how wide or narrow you want your compartments. Use your craft knife or scissors to carefully cut the notches. Make sure they're wide enough for the cardboard strips to slide into each other. Time to assemble. Start by sliding the strips together, creating a grid that fits perfectly inside your drawer. You might need to trim the strips slightly to make them fit snugly. Once you're happy with the fit, use tape to secure the interlocking joints. This will give your organizer added stability. Now, for the grand reveal. Sound of drawer opening, clean and organized sound effects. Wow! Look at that transformation. Your tools, stationery, or kitchen utensils now have a designated spot, making it easy to find what you need and keeping your drawer neat and tidy. The best part? You can customize the compartments to fit your specific needs. Adjust the size and number of compartments to accommodate your items. This DIY drawer organizer is not only practical, but also a great way to recycle materials and reduce waste. It's a win-win. So, there you have it. A simple and effective way to organize your drawers. Give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more DIY projects and life hacks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.